You found Paul Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue, and today I'm in Georgetown, Texas, out in the beautiful Texas Hill Country with Aaron Dumas. Aaron is a #1 award-winning pool designer. So Aaron is helping me with a quick recipe that's perfect for this time of the year. We're making Baked Onion Souffle Dip, and then a very quick tour of Aaron's outdoor kitchen and his swimming pool that of course he designed and built. Now let's make the Baked Onion Souffle Dip. So in your mixing bowl you need to add 3 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 16-ounce package of frozen onions. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and then transfer them into a casserole dish, and we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And today we're using Aaron's Coyote pellet smoker. We also toasted some baguettes on the pellet smoker, and they are excellent with this dip. So this dip's not only quick and easy, but it also tastes great. Now we want to show you Aaron's outdoor kitchen and his swimming pool. Aaron designed and built both of these, and he can help you with all your outdoor living needs because he is absolutely one of the best designers in the business. His outdoor kitchen features high-end Coyote appliances that includes a flat top, a fridge, a power burner, and of course a pellet grill. Now Aaron will tell us very quickly about his custom designed pool.
My name is Aaron Dumas. Appreciate you guys coming over to my home. Paul Daddy has a big following here in Georgetown, Texas. You're taking a look at our backyard, doing some filming on our outdoor kitchen, and this is a quick look at our pool. I am a pool designer over at Premier Pools in Georgetown, Texas. We service all of Austin as well as the greater San Antonio area. So essentially everything from San Antonio to Austin all the way up almost to Waco is us. Give us a call for any of your swimming pool needs. This particular pool we're looking at right here is a pool and hot tub combination. We have some water and fire features, tanning ledge. We're finishing construction, just had some rain here, so you see a little bit of work going on, still some dirt and mud, but this is what some of our finished work looks like. And we're excited to have Paul Daddy over at our house this afternoon. Use the link and you can reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help you with anything you need regarding a swimming pool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time at Paul Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue.